Hello, my loves, and welcome back to day 7 of our workout challenge for the new school year. Today is going to be all about stretching and releasing and starting to come back to that centeredness, remembering exactly who you are and going into this new season with so much love for yourself, so much centeredness. So today we're going to be stretching and I'm going to be talking you through an affirmation track. You just focus with me right here. We're outside. We're going to touch some grass, come back to reality. So grab your mat. Let's get stretching. Start with me here with your hands planted on the mat. We're going to take into a few cat-cows. I want you to just drop your belly, let your chest rise. Exhale, round out through your spine. Pushing the floor away from you. Allow your mind to start clearing. Take an inhale, drop your belly, raise your chest. Releasing any tension through your shoulders, and then exhale, push the floor away from you again. Start to even out your breath, taking a deep inhale. Let's come into a child's pose. Push your hips back, press your shoulders to the floor. Deep inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. 3, 2, 1, and exhale. 3, 2, 1, and hold that exhale at the bottom. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and come back into your tabletop. I want you to tuck your toes behind you. Pop up into a down dog. Press your hips to the sky. Press your chest forward. Continue those box breaths. Right now, I just want to get you in a place where your nervous system is beginning to calm. I want you to come out of fight or flight, releasing any tension or anxiety, lifting up your right leg. And we're going to bring this right leg forward into a lunge. So right between your fingers, and drop your left leg back. Continuing that breath. As your nervous system calms, you're going to start to feel a bit more clear-headed. So notice your breath. Notice as your mind calms. Let's press back, straightening out that leg, pressing your hips back and your hamstring to the floor. Now that you're in a place of clarity and calm, we're going to start remembering who we are. Push your hips forward again. You're welcome to follow me as I stretch or just find a seated position throughout all of this. Press your right hand against your right knee. Press away. Lifting up your back leg. Today I woke up feeling like the highest version of myself. I woke up this morning feeling so much gratitude for this life that I get to live in. Every morning I open my eyes and I'm able to breathe. I'm able to use my muscles. I'm able to see this world around me. There's so much abundance in this world around me. I feel like nothing can go wrong. Like every decision I make is my highest, clearest decision. Today I feel like people listen to the words that I say. Every room that I walk into, I just experience respect and love and admiration. Press back through your heel, coming into a straight leg. Everywhere I go, it's like I'm seeing so many smiles and so much love, and it's like the world can't help but give back to me the love that I give to myself. Today I feel like the highest version of myself. I feel like the kindest version of myself. Back into this downward dog. Lifting up your left leg, bringing it through. Today I feel clear and focused on my visions. Today I feel clear and focused on my goals. I know what my passions are. Today it seems so clear to me that my passions are in my path. They have been divinely guided to me. And those things that light me up that I just can't wait to complete, or the things that I've even been scared of thinking about, just flow to me today. I'm seeing signs everywhere that I'm just the luckiest girl in the world. I'm getting the best parking spots. Somehow I got a discount on my groceries. Somehow my credit card bill was paid off. And I just found the most perfect house. It was delivered to me. Signed, sealed, and delivered in the most perfect way. Today I just feel happy. Today I just feel calm. Today my mind feels bright and kind. Today I want to interact with people because I love being perceived. I love when people see me for who I am. It seems like everybody I come across today just knows exactly who I am. They know that I am the most powerful, most magnetic person that they have ever met. Go ahead and tent your fingers up and press your shoulders to the floor, stretching out through your shoulders. Everything just seems to flow so easily today, and people in my path are so kind and so bright, and I'm so magnetic. It's like people can't get enough of me. Everywhere that I go, people are saying hello to me. People are so magnetized to me. Bringing your foot in, extend your right leg. And my body feels incredible. I feel so full of energy. I feel like I can accomplish anything I want to accomplish today. Every time I catch a glimpse of myself in the mirror, I just have this swelling in my heart. I'm just so excited. I'm so happy that this is the body that I get to live in. I know that this body loves me so much, and I love my body. There are billions of bodies on this planet, and I am so excited that I get to live in this one. It does exactly what I want it to do. It looks exactly the way I want it to look. It feels exactly the way I want it to feel. And it is so effortless for me. My body, my energy, my vitality came to me so effortlessly. It's like the world around me is just so vibrant. It's like the world around me is just waiting to give me everything that I want. All I have to do is ask. Extending your arm over your head, stretching out through your side body. I feel like I just have endless amounts of energy today. I can do anything that I want. And I know that anything that I put my mind to today, anything that I desire today, will come to me, almost like magic, but I know that it's not magic. I know that this has been in motion for me from the day I was born, because the world and the universe are working for me at all times for my highest good, for my highest happiness, because I am the luckiest girl in the universe. It does not get any luckier than me. Everywhere I go, I know that I am in the exact place that I need to be at the exact right time. And I have so much perspective. Anything that happens, I know is happening in the exact way it was meant to. Anybody that comes across my path with anything other than delight and love is not for me. I know that I get to just ignore that. Anything that tries to get a rise out of me, anything that tries to shift my perspective, to try to make me feel like anything but the most grateful, most lucky girl in the world, is not for me. It is a distraction in my path, and I get the chance to just ignore that and say, no, I feel good. I choose to feel good. Any bills in the mail, I say that is amazing, and I feel good because I am taken care of. I am understood. I am seen. Any friend that wants to try to do anything but love and cherish and adore me, I say, no, I am loved, I am cherished, I am adored, and I am seen. Roll these hands underneath, placing your weight on the top of your hand. Today I am gracious. Today I am generous. I have an abundance to give, and I can't wait to give. Crossing your hands, pressing them down. I can't wait to show people how abundant I am with how much that I can give, how much I can do for the people around me, knowing that they can't wait to do the same for me. It's like the red carpet is rolled out everywhere that I go. It's like people see me in their mind as the most wonderful, magnetic, bright, vibrant person. And I look out the window and it's like the trees are more green and the sky is more blue. And then I meet my eyes again in the mirror and I just have the biggest smile. I look at my skin and it's so vibrant and glowy. Placing one hand on your chest, one hand on your stomach. I just love looking at my eyes because I love to see how they sparkle. I love to see how white my teeth are. I love to see how strong I look. I love to see every line and every curve of my body, knowing that I have worked my entire life to get to this exact moment, and I am so proud of myself. I love the way my body looks. I love the way my body feels. I love everything that my body does for me. I love that I get to live in this body. I love the way my body takes up space in the world. It is just wonderful. It is incredible, and I have waited my entire life to feel this amount of love for my body. But I can't help it. I look in the mirror and I am so satisfied. I am so in love with everything that I am. And today I am showing up as the highest version of myself. I am calm. My mind is so clear. Every thought that I have just seems to be so positive. It's like I'm seeing the silver lining in everything. It's like wherever I go, the world gets brighter and the world gets happier. And I just don't even recognize the version of myself that thinks any differently. I send all versions of myself love, but this version is calm, clear-headed, so centered, and I know that wherever I go in life, I'm going to make the best of it, and I'm going to be so lucky. Continue with your box breaths. Just sitting in this feeling. Resonate with the truth of that. You can feel it in your soul. You know how true all of this is. Today you are showing up as the highest version of yourself. There is a version of you that knows your divine worth. You are chosen. You have chosen yourself. Everything outside of you is noise, but in your mind you are clear. In your mind you do not allow distractions. People vying for your attention. People vying for your energy. But today, you are your source of energy. You are magnetic. Everything you have ever wanted is running full speed at you. And you are calm. And you are so joyful. The universe is showing you how good it gets. Today is all about how good can it get. And it's just going to keep getting better. If your body is calling for any other stretches, you're more than welcome to take those. But for just a few more moments, continue to breathe in for 4 counts. Hold for 4 counts. Exhale for 4. Hold for 4. Just sitting in this love for yourself. Remembering that you can always tap back into this at any time you need. This higher self is always here guiding you. Always here to embrace you. It doesn't take a magic trick to get her out. She's right here. I invite you to open up your eyes. You are loved, you are cherished, you are doing a great job, and I can't wait to see where you go in life. So I hope you get off to the rest of your day with so much energy, so much confidence, and I will see you again for day 8.